am Vasiliki Mavridou. I'm a postdoc at the pharmacology department, and I work on certain membrane proteins that have to do with neurotransmission and pain perception. So I'm a biochemist and structural biologist, and I work on proteins that are involved in neurotransmission and pain perception. The diseases that could be positively influenced by the research are disorders of the nervous system, such as epilepsy, paralysis, seizures, and specifically pain. I'm working on a protein that is involved in pain perception. So in my everyday life, I have to go to the lab every day, and that is quite nice because every day can be very different with various experiments. Sometimes it's mixing different solutions and see what happens. Other days could be more sitting in front of a computer. Other days I go to the electron microscope, and this is really nice to see because you just see tiny little molecules in a black and white background, and that represents the use of your protein, which is quite nice. I hope that I would have determined the three-dimensional structure of the protein that I'm working on, and if I hopefully have found molecules that bind to it and then build on that to make them more potent and more selective, it could potentially be something that can develop in a medicine for pain treatment. It's the prerequisite to be able to do this. So we study a general subject, and then whatever we find can be either used in the future to develop a drug for a disease or certain treatment, but it's the research that has to be done before to have the global understanding of how the system works. I loved being a member here in Hughes Hall because the environment is very welcoming. Since I joined, everybody was very friendly and welcoming, and it's amazing how much diversity there is, and also all the different subjects that people study or specialize in, so it's a great environment to be in.